If you do a lot of typing, this cool feature is for you. You can make shortcut for your daily routine sentences and the phrases. All you need to do is just go into the settings, general, go to the keyboard, and you'll find this is a text replacement. Just hit on it and you can create the some words. Let's say where are you, and the shortcut you can say WHR, save, and then when you just go for the typing, just type anything. Let's see right there, when I say WHR, it says where are you. Look at this. So you can add as many as you can and whatever you like. Let's go for the other feature. This is a torch and you just turn on the torch. It's like normal. If you press and hold, you can just change the brightness of the torch. You can see by just swiping up and down. If you want to use your keyboard with the one hand, like this is a little far. If you have a big phone, so of course this is a little far for you. So all you need to do, simple, go into the setting, go to the general again and drop it down to the keyboard, and you'll find this is the thing, the one-handed keyboard. It's off. You can make it the right. Let's say I'm the right-handed, so let's just go to here, and all you see is to the right side. You can make it to the left side also. You can make it the fold by clicking there. If you want to move multiple application, do not do one by one. Let's try this. Press and hold until it's move to the toggle. So just keep pressing one by one and you can make as a group, and you can just move here and release it. So everything is here, and then you can just press and hold again and keep tapping on it whatever you like. So just bring back, and these things you can apply on the files and multiple other applications. In this feature, if you have something multiple lines and you want to go for up and down, or so you can use your space bar as a cursor. Press and hold and it will convert into the cursor. Look at this. And then other thing is also, you can, when you press your hand, it will, look at this, it give you the magnifying thing and you can go up and down. So you have both options. Try this. And this is, everybody should know, you can set the timer by sliding up and down.